Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you for taking the time to come hang out with me and watch a video. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you love unboxing videos, this is definitely a channel for you. And we do have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on, so there will be a link below if you would like to enter. Make sure you turn on your notification bell, as well as I'm going to be having live giveaways coming up, so you don't want to miss that. As you can see from the description, today we are unboxing the February 2019 mini My Paper Box. This is a really awesome subscription. This is a personalized subscription for stationery. Usually the mini is like 3 different, maybe like notepads. And like I said, they're going to be customized, so they're going to have your name on them. And I believe this subscription is $10 a month. I will leave a link down below and all the information for you. They do have another subscription, their Grand Box, which includes notepads, cards, and it can have a variety of items. So, but the mini is usually just 3 different notepads. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in and see what it has for February. Everything is always so cute, so I'm super excited to see what we've got. All right, so this is how everything came out. So this is adorable. It says, "Will you be our Valentine? Our life wouldn't be near as fun without you as a part of it. I hope you know how important you are to us, the Paperbox team." That is super cute that they put this in here. That is adorable. And then we have, y'all, this is cute. This is like the ultimate looking little checklist and notepad. And then it has my name down here at the bottom. So that is super adorable. I love that. I love that the notepads are not literally always just notepads. They like have checklists or different things. And then, like I said, they're personalized. So it's always so much fun. And then we have, oh, this is cute. Okay. This says Nikki's meal planner. So literally I can write down every day, you know, what I plan to make for dinner, a shopping list. This is awesome. Kind of keep me on track, because there are those days where my mind is just like not working and I'm like, what am I going to make for dinner tonight? So could plan ahead. I really like that. That is super cute. And it's quite a bit too. I mean, considering you've got a whole week on here, I mean, it's like quite a few weeks. So there is that. And then the last one, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I know I just said that they're not normally like just blank pads like you could write on. This is, but I think it is absolutely so precious. So it's Nikki's doodle pad. How cute is this, y'all? Like, for real? Like, that is precious. I love this. This is a great way to take notes, and I like that this actually is a good size. It's not too like narrow or too short. This is great if I need to doodle. So I really, really like that. That is so cute. So like I said, this is the My Paper Box mini subscription. It is $10 a month, and like I said, every month you will receive 3 different notepads. Again, they are always personalized with your name, so that is super awesome. And I think all 3 this month are great. As always, it's always a great subscription to unbox. And like I said, they do have the Grand, and that one I will also unbox for you, so you will see that as well. And see the difference in them. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought of this video. I definitely think it's cute. I think, you know, because I'm always taking notes and writing things down, so having cute ways to do it, or, you know, like this one with the checklist, I can check things off. So I really enjoy it. So I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.